always clean.
The Hinyao Trap Youth Council HYC held a public meeting today at Motphran to raise awareness about the dangers of drug abuse. Hundreds of people gathered at the location to voice their concerns over the increasing involvement of youth in drugs. During the event, HYC President Roy Kupar Sinrem strongly criticized the government for failing to take effective action against the rising consumption of drugs. He pointed out that while the government has launched the DREAM project to combat, there has been little progress in addressing the issue.
Kasorkar kadang pisah ban air the cherry blossom san krot tingkah sistem ban wanyalam ya kinong put kinong tem kamdon pisah ban siu ya katulok jong kinong hikai ki jongi kamdon pisah ban siu ya ka scholarship jong ki kun samla ki jongi ki bakum kita kinoi lam kita kapol kala dei bagajat nuriu ka ban perkat nang ni sak dia lor katakan orang rem bakaseng ka ban syem ya kani ka jingke kri ban mi syamanan jen lada apa ki buar bulat jen lada apa kita ki priyo ki bapak ya kaan ki pentre kam hok ya la ka jong ka kamram kam dadon kam in HYC ban mi apo so shilong ban mi aki wei pak ki jaka ban ya lai kam ya ki nong di drugs